Hi, hello, namaskara. This is Nalini Ashwin and welcome to my channel. So, disclaimer, this is only for educational purpose and informative purpose. And this is this series I'm doing about your birth star or Janma Nakshatra based on your moon signs, the time of your birth. Already I have shared about Ashwini Nakshatra, and today I'll be sharing about Bharani Nakshatra or Bharani star. So before proceeding to the Bharani Nakshatra, I would like to add some more information regarding Ashwini Nakshatra. So please watch this video till the end, and if you have come for the first time, please subscribe to my channel and also like and share this video with everyone. So this information may be repetitive or additional to already what I have shared in the first episode of this series. So, what is the compatibility and family life like for Ashwini Nakshatra male? So, male Ashwini Nakshatra, he loves his family also, but can be humiliated by them because of his nature, that is, he is very adamant. So, see, this is just general and it may not apply to everybody. So also the male Ashwini Nakshatra, he fails to gain the love and affection of his father. If he seeks help, it is likely to come from his maternal uncles. Friends will help him even more. He usually marries between the age of 26 to 30 years and will have more sons than daughters. About health and well-being of Ashwini Nakshatra. The male Ashwini Nakshatra generally enjoys good health except for the normal ailments caused by seasonal changes such as cough, cold or viral infections. In later years, they should be careful of pain in the bones, indigestion or chest pain, as these could be symptoms of something more serious. So now Ashwini Nakshatra female characteristics. The female Ashwini Nakshatra have the skill of attracting anyone with their sweet words. She is extremely patient. Though she is pure-hearted, she tends to be overly attracted and wishes to indulge in the act all the time. Even though she may lead a modern life, she follows the traditional way of life and respects all elders by following things like touching their feet on all the special occasions. Profession and related areas for female Ashwini Nakshatra. She is likely to do a job where she may be given an administrative role. She will work devotedly till the age of 50 but will quit her job after that. It is mainly because she will be comfortable in her finance and because she would like to do some social work. Also, she will give more quality time to her family. The professional areas suitable for females. Females born under this Ashwini Nakshatra often excel in administrative roles and work diligently until the age of 50. They may choose to leave their jobs to engage in social work and spend more time with family. So, for the Ashwini Nakshatra marriage is usually solemnized between the ages of 23 and 26 years. In case marriage takes outside this time frame, it is observed that problems takes place plenty. This is for female Ashwini Nakshatra. So health and well-being of Ashwini Nakshatra female. Not many problems are foreseen, but stay away from mental worry and anxiety. In case these things spiral out of control, it may have an adverse impact on the functioning of the brain. Also, you should be careful while cooking and not get too near fire. While driving also, you have to be careful and drive safely. So this was about Ashwini, additional information about Ashwini Nakshatra. So now we will take up Bharani Nakshatra. Bharani Nakshatra is second nakshatra. It is symbolized by the yoni representing creation, nurturing and transformation. So Bharani Nakshatra people are known for their intense energy, determination and ability to carry heavy responsibilities with very good resilience. This nakshatra is ruled by Venus, which blesses its people with creativity, charm and a desire for balance in life. Bharani carries the power of restraint and the ability to endure challenges with grace. So, being associated with Venus, the nakshatra also holds the quality of adopting and taking extreme measures whenever necessary. So you can call it a nakshatra of desire, jealousy, sacrifice, and fear. So these nakshatra people believe in the actions more than the words. They are the epitome of the transformation and always willing to commit towards the change. It is also represented as the bearing star because the natives are believed to exhibit vulnerability and desires in an overwhelming manner. So the star, this is the star of passion and desires. So these Bharani Nakshatra people have expressive eyes and a smile to die for. So they are also, despite all these turbulences, they have the unmatchable talent of hiding it all. They are secretive and behave in a calm and composed manner. In Vedic astrology, it is the second Janma Nakshatra, and its Rashi is Mesha Rashi. So it is the signifier of Lord Yama. Lord Yama analyzes good and bad deeds and declares justice. So Yama is also seen as a punisher for the bad karma one has performed during their life. But for those who have been good, there are rewards as well. So the planet associated with Bharani Nakshatra is Venus, and therefore Bharani Nakshatra people exhibit many characteristics associated with Venus. So some of the characteristics for Bharani Nakshatra male. So they are not much of a likable character, although they have welfare of all in their heart and will never harm anyone. So male is quite outspoken, and when he wishes to say the truth, even if it hurts someone, he is not bothered and goes on to express it. He will never go against his conscience, because of which he himself has to face many problems frequently. However, he is very forgiving, and when someone apologizes to him sincerely, he will immediately forgive and forget and start interacting as if nothing has happened. Profession and profession for Bharani Nakshatra male. There is no permanent auspicious or inauspicious time for them. After 33, he will see a positive change in his circumstances. He is something of an all-rounder and can fit into any kind of a job, whether it is related to administration, business, sports, music, performing art and advertisement, or even automobiles. He can also make a good doctor or a judge. Tobacco business may favor him. He will surely attain success if his business is situated on the eastern side of his home. Compatibility and family life for Bharani Nakshatra male. He loves his family but can be subject to humiliation by them owing to the fact that he is very adamant. He fails to gain the love and affection of his father. If he needs any help, it is likely to come from his maternal uncles. Friends will help him even more. He usually marries between the age of 26 to 30 years and will have more sons than daughters. Bharani Nakshatra male. The native of this nakshatra will not face any major health problems. Though he does not take much care of it later in his life, he may be faced with dental problems, diabetes, and body pain, apoplexy, ringworms, and malaria. He does not eat much and believes in eating to live and not living to eat. Now coming to female Bharani Nakshatra characteristics. Bharani Nakshatra who are females. The females possess a pure and modest character. She will respect her parents and aged persons in the house. However, she is independent minded and will not like anyone to tell her what to do and what not to do. She will do just as she pleases. Her character is bold and impulsive. The profession and related areas for Bharani Nakshatra females. So they will be self-dependent and they earn their own bread. So the female will be suitable for a receptionist, tourist guide, or a saleswoman in a big store. She is a go-getter and will not wait for opportunities but will hunt them out. She will not shy away from fulfilling her desires and is likely to make a good sportswoman too. The females who are born in Nakshatra, their compatibility and family life. So she gets married around 23 years of age. She will be the dominant one in all domestic affairs, and yet she will enjoy the complete trust and confidence of her husband. With her in-laws, she is likely to face frequent problems. The Bharani-born females are somewhat aggressive, so her life partner need to have a lot of patience while dealing with her. Health and well-being of Bharani Nakshatra female. Female born in this nakshatra will enjoy good health, though she may often suffer from menstrual problems and uterus disorders. TB is another, that is tuberculosis is another thing she has to be careful. So now we will take up the padas. Bharani Nakshatra first pada is it comes in the Leo Navamsha, ruled by the sun. The significant thing about this pada is that the native is totally absorbed in creativity and possesses high-end artistic talent. These people can be very selfish and can hurt others unknowingly. Bharani Nakshatra second pada. The second pada is in the Virgo Navamsha and is governed by Mercury. The focus of this nakshatra is on hard work and determination. Person born in this is altruistic. The native knows what exactly he is doing even with chaos is around him. Third pada. It falls in the Libra Navamsha. It is governed by Venus. These have the special skill to harmonize opposites. However, there is likely to be too much sex that these people will indulge in, and whether it is good or bad for him or her depends on how mature they are. Fourth pada. It falls in Scorpio sun sign Navamsha. It is governed by Mars. So they will be brimming with energy and they can be extremely productive and may even come up with some valuable discovery. So they must, however, ensure that the excess energy is utilized in a non-destructive and judicious way. Some more facts are the translation is the bearer, symbol is vagina, lord is Venus, zodiac sign is that is moon sign is Aries or Mesha, deity is Yama, the god of death. Their nature is the fierce or severe Ugra. Gana is Manushya Gana, is human. Body Varahamihira is head. Body is Parashara. Forehead. For marriage, this Bharani period is not auspicious. Ruling deity of Venus is Lakshmi. Its number is 2, and gender is female. The names of letters in this nakshatra are Li, Lu, Le, Lo. Lucky letter is L and lucky stone is diamond. Lucky color is blood red and favorable number is 9. Common name is Amla. Rajas, Guna is Rajas, Dosha is Pitta, and the bird is crow, element is earth. Animal symbol is the elephant. Tree is Amla or Amlaka. Sorry, Amalaka. So these were some of the facts and information about both Bharani Nakshatra, female and male, and I hope you like this information. It would be useful, and this is just for learning purpose. I hope you understand that. For any other professional in-depth analysis or anything you want to ask, please you can ask your astrologer, family astrologer, anybody you know of in person. So that's all, and thank you so much for watching this video till the end, and please like this if you like it and share with everybody, and let me know in the comments, are you is your nakshatra Bharani Nakshatra or Ashwini Nakshatra, or what is your nakshatra, that is birth star. Please let me know in the comment section, and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, please take care of yourself. Bye bye.